A card that won't link to Walmart Pay is usually being rejected because the card information doesn't match your bank's records, the bank is blocking the verification request, or the Walmart app needs to be refreshed. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the cause and the fastest fixes to get your card linked successfully. Start by checking the card details carefully. Open Walmart Pay, remove the failed card if it's already saved, and enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address again. The billing address must match exactly what your bank has on file. Even a small difference like an outdated zip code or missing apartment number can prevent the card from linking. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the Walmart app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available update. Older app versions can run into payment errors that have already been fixed. If the app is current, sign out of your Walmart account. Close the app completely, then sign back in and try adding the card again. On Android, you can also clear the app cache through Settings and Shapes Walmart Storage, then tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, the quickest way to clear temporary app data is to delete the app and reinstall it. Now check with your bank. Many banks automatically block the small verification request that Walmart sends when adding a new payment method. The bank can tell you whether the request was approved, declined, or flagged for security. If it was blocked, they can often remove the restriction immediately. Another thing to verify is whether your card supports online and digital wallet transactions. Some prepaid cards, gift cards, or restricted debit cards may not work with Walmart Pay even though they work for purchases in stores. If one card keeps failing, try adding a different credit or debit card. If the second card links successfully, the issue is likely with the original card or your bank rather than your Walmart account. You should also make sure your phone has a stable internet connection while linking the card. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help rule out a temporary network problem during the verification process. If none of these steps work, contact Walmart customer care and explain that the card fails during the linking process rather than at checkout. Sharing your phone model, operating system, app version, and any error message you see will help them troubleshoot faster. The quickest fixes are to verify your billing information, update the Walmart app, refresh the app by signing out or reinstalling it, and confirm with your bank that the verification request isn't being blocked. If the issue continues, Walmart support can check whether there's an account-specific problem. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.